But if you're coming from an inspired motivation, yung bawat nararating mo, kahit na sabihin mong hindi pa success, kahit sabihin mong failure, alam mong umangat ka. Alam mong masarap yung pakiramdam because you've achieved something for yourself na hindi man yun yung peak ng goal mo. Alam mong nag-improve ka. Yun yung isang motivation na sinasabi kong lumalago at lumalaki. Kumbaga, sabi nga it's very important to be coming from an inspired motivation rather than motivation coming from hate, pride, or get approval, or maybe revenge. Kasi hindi, ang huling laban yan, makuha mo man ang goal mo, hindi ka happy. Kumbaga, setting high standards means setting yourself up in terms of progressively